So for question 2, on this single diagram means you're going to draw your sine, draw your quadratic in the interval of negative pi to pi. So hence, find the approximation for the positive roots of this equation. Hence, take the pi as first approximation. So that is the first question that we do, taking the pi as first approximation. Again, get your answer to 3 significant figures. So part by part, we draw our graph first. So the first graph we want to draw is sine x. So originally sine x, okay, original graph sine x is sinusoidal. It's a wave graph like this, sine f. When it's plus 2, means the whole graph will be going up by 2 units. Okay, the whole graph will be dianjak atas 2 unit. So originally is the graph is oscillate between 1 and 0, 1. So the amplitude is 1 and negative 1. So when it push up 2 unit, so it will be oscillate. This one plus 2 become 3. At the bottom here plus 2 become 1. So the graph will be oscillate in between the y value 1 and 3. So this is our 1, 2, 3. So you need to draw between negative pi and pi only. Okay, pi and pi only. So pi means, so here one round is 2 pi. Until here is 2 pi. So when you want to pi means at the middle here. So at the middle here. So we will drawing this. We will draw this only. Negative pi until pi. So the graph will be start from 2 because original is 0, right? So when it move up 2 unit, it becomes start from 2, then it start oscillate one curve and then another curve. So start from 0, you move up 2 unit, become 2. At 0 here, 2. So at bottom here, negative 1, you move up, you become 1. So the whole graph is going to move up 2 units. So this is our y, this is our x. So label, this is our y equals to 2 plus sine x. Then we go for our quadratic. Y equals to x squared. So obviously this is x0, y0, positive quadratic. So senyum at origin. So you can see we have 2 intersection points. So means we will have 2 roots actually, but this question just asks for positive roots. They just ask for positive root. So on this diagram sketch, label 0, label our quadratic y equals to x squared. So hence, approximate this. So they just ask us to draw only. Then after that, we continue to do calculation. So they said find the approximation positive root. So we can see we have 1 root at positive side here. We have 1 root occur at positive side, which is in the between of 0 and pi. 0 and pi here, sure we can get an x value for this equation. So our equation now, they're given here after they do the simultaneous, right? You can see this is our 2 sine x equals to x squared. So when you move to the left, this is our equation, simultaneous equation that we need to solve. So from this equation, two plus sine x minus x squared equals to 0, we form out our function. So once we get our function, we can differentiate. So differentiate 2, we get 0. Differentiate sine, we get positive cos. Differentiate x squared, power move to the front, power minus 1. Initial value got or not? So after we differentiate, we have to find pi as the first approximation, means our initial value here x1 is pi. So x2, as long as they are in the interval here, that is okay, because you can see the roots here is in between 0 and pi. Then you start with value of pi also can. Okay, so follow the question. Start with value of pi, we substitute into Newton-Raphson formula, x minus function over differential function. So from here, set to the radian, unit angle radian. Then only we start calculate. Put in our formula, 2 plus sine alpha x minus alpha x squared cos alpha x minus 2 alpha x. Okay, done. On calculate, first initial value, shift pi equal. So answer 2.06. How many? 3 significant. Okay, plus 2 become 5 significant. So 1, 1. Okay, 5 significant, because here I have 7. I have to round off. It cannot 1, 0 lah. You have to round off, become 1, 1. So here I have 5 significant. Then x3. Write back the working, but you can write in short form, which is fx at prime x 70. So 37 already enough. Then calculate, repeat. Seven two 896. Because of 6, you want to round off, it become 89, become 90. Okay, so you can see we already have repeat there. We already have 3 significant that figure that repeat. 729, 728. Consider repeat. Okay, consider repeat. So repeat already. 7272, 3 significant repeat, and we confirm. You will get 1.273, because 9 and 8 will give us to round off to the figure. So 3 significant figure. So we will stop at x5 here. So if you want to double check, so we can see or not, we can double check by using this formula or not. So 1, 2 plus 2 plus sine alpha x minus 1.728. Yes, 3 significant, 73 lah. Yeah, 28. So we done this.